Good morning, good morning. It's Ate Jo again. So, kumusta po kayong lahat? I hope na you are all okay. So, today, isi-share ko sa inyo yung aking journey as a cancer patient. So, alam niyo naman po, chemotherapy is a treatment for cancer. So, today is my 1 week after my first treatment of chemotherapy. And last week, talagang wala talaga, napakahina po, wala akong lakas, sobra ang aking katawan, napakatamlay. 4 days after my treatment, na-rush ako sa hospital because of too much abdominal pain. At yun ay isang side effects din. At isa pa, meron akong acid reflux. So, yun ang na-trigger yung meron acidity. And lahat po ng mga symptoms na yun ay aking naranasan. Sobra ang hina ng aking katawan. Wala akong panlasa, wala akong dry masyado yung aking throat, but I keep on drinking water to avoid dehydration. I keep eating in small amount para lang at least hindi ako lalong maghina. So, yun po ang aking ginawa. Soft diet ako. Kain lang. Kain kahit wala akong panlasa. Ngayon, salamat sa Diyos at least may konting lakas na ako. Pero nandyan pa rin yung nararamdaman ko pa rin yung panghihina ng aking katawan. So, kaya ko to. Kaya ko to. God is with me. God is my physician. At saka salamat sa aking mga prayer warriors. Napakarami niyo pong nagmamahal sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At saka kayo din, huwag niyo po pababayaan yung inyong mga sarili. Try to eat healthy food now, and of course yung ating faith ay kailangan nating lakasan at alam ko malalampasan ko to. So, laban lang. Thank you for watching, and stay safe and healthy everyone, and may God bless us all. Bye.